PC gaming has never been particularly easy, and the price of entry has always been considerably more than that of a console. There are some trade-offs in that PC gamers really do benefit from Steam, the game platform, and other platforms that have ludicrously good sales. Plus, PC gamers mostly get the best experience, just not necessarily the cheapest or the easiest. The main expense for any gaming PC is, of course, the GPU from the likes of Nvidia or AMD. The price of these usually, not so long ago, would actually come down over time, making it better for all concerned. But with the onset of cryptocurrency mining and every man and his dog looking to mine, the price for GPUs is actually going up. Not just by a bit, but by too much. It's just getting crazy, making it prohibitive to even set up a decent rig. To set up a top-notch gaming rig, you're really looking at some very silly money indeed. My name's Stu, and I have a PC gaming rig, and for the first time in history, in my history in PC gaming, it's gone up in value rather than down. Those looking to buy a GPU today have it hard. It sucks, in fact. Not only is it difficult to find a card in stock, certainly the AMD cards are proving a little harder to find because of their lower power consumption to sort of hash rate performance. But even the higher 1080 Ti's are proving hard to find. Then when you do find one, holy mother of God, do they know how to charge? Jesus. For example, I have a 1080 Ti for the Win EVGA card, and it cost me £750 in October, and that was considered a pretty good price back then. Expensive, but good. That same card on Amazon today is £899, which is around about $1,000, if not more, which is crazy prices just for the GPU alone. Miners are to blame, of course. People are sucking up dozens of these cards to build mining rigs. As fast as they are being made available for sale, they are being bought up left, right and centre and added to yet another mining rig. When I'm not gaming, I do the same. I too set the card to mine, and I too have considered building a dedicated rig or using at the very least something like ASIC miners. But it's expensive, and with the cost of electricity in the UK, it's kind of prohibitive if Bitcoin drops below £10,000. Thankfully, it's remained above that for a while, but it's come close. Other coins are even more volatile. And as prohibitive, but it is prohibitive rather, but not very environmental as mining is. It's also increasing the cost of the building PCs. RAMs have gone up exponentially the last year or so. Building a decent PC, even a mid-range gaming PC, is getting far too expensive. Meaning that for now, I'd really recommend anyone that's looking to get into PC gaming to perhaps wait. And until then, go and buy an Xbox One X. So are we likely to see a change? Well, more and more mining cards are coming out, which is a great thing. You could almost call them sort of retail mining cards that are very bare bones. There's not really a lot to them, and they're very limited warranties, usually only 3 months, and just simply designed to mine. They're much cheaper and have a limited resale value. Motherboards, just for mining, are also becoming pretty popular too, and they're selling out as soon as they go on the market. As more and more miners move to more efficient mining cards and begin to sell their retail 1070s or 1080s or AMD cards, we could likely see at some point in the near future an influx of second-hand GPUs onto the market, and prices could collapse. Not now, but as more and more mining-specific cards with bare bones and better efficiency come out, this will likely happen. So, for now, here's my thing. If you're thinking of building a PC, wait. go out and buy yourself a nice, shiny, exciting, brand new Xbox One X to tide you over on your PC itch. If you're looking to upgrade, hold out. I believe that sometime this year or next year, there will be an enormous flood of high-end, second-hand GPUs hitting the market. And this will be great for you because it will cause a price crash in the GPU market. So what do you think? Are you looking or are building a new PC or thinking of upgrading? If so, what are the prices you've seen and what advice do you have? Don't just listen to me. Are you looking to upgrade from what to what GPU? Will you wait and hold out, or are you going to suck it up and buy a new one when you see one available? Let me know. You've been watching 3B. I'm Stu. Check out bitsbytesandbobs.com. It's the website for this channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. Bye.